Hello, third graders. I'm hoping that this morning you woke up with a smile on your face. Today is October 1st, 2020. And so what are you learning today? Today you're going to retell and paraphrase fiction texts in a way that maintains meaning and logical order by restating ideas from a text. A fictional text is text that is imaginary or untrue. So today's lesson is only going to be focusing on fictional texts. When summarizing fiction, a short description of the most important events in a story would take place. You must maintain logical order and include the important story elements such as the characters, the plot, and the settings. So today's focus is going to be somebody wanted, but so then. When we're summarizing, we focus more on the main important events in a story. So we must stay away from your opinions. A good summary does not give your idea or your opinions. So what is this somebody wanted but so then? Well, the somebody is the main character. Most of the time, the character is going to be wanting something or some type of occurrence is going on where the character is got a goal they're meeting, a goal they're going towards, or just something they want. But there's a problem in the story that keeps the character from getting what they want or accomplishing their goal. So, what is the solution to the problem, or how does the character reach its goal? Then, how does the story end? I'm going to read this to you, and the ant and the grasshopper, and I'm just going to model a little bit about the somebody wanted but so then. The ant and the grasshopper. In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. As ant passed by, bearing along with great toil an ear of corn he was taking to the nest. "Why not come and chat with me?" said the grasshopper, "instead of toiling and moiling in that way?" "I am helping to lay up food for the winter," said ant, "and recommend you to do the same." "Why bother about winter?" said the grasshopper. We got plenty of food at present." But the ant went on his way and continued its toil. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger. While it saw the ant distributing everyday corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer, then the grasshopper knew it is best to prepare for the days of need. So I'm just going to take this because I'm going to use this particular chart. The chart is set up just like the somebody, the character. What did the character want? But what keeps the character from getting what he wants? So how did he solve the problem? And then how does it end? So who was my main character? Well, basically it was the grasshopper. What did the grasshopper want? He wanted the ant to come chat with him instead of toiling. But the ant continued to toil for food. So the grasshopper soon begins to die of hunger. Then the grasshopper now know he should prepare for the future. Remember in our story, there was the grasshopper who wanted something. Well, the goal was the grasshopper wanted to get the ant to just come hang out with him, right? Instead of just preparing for the winter. But he didn't reach his goal because the ant did continue to toil for the food. So then what happens? What was the problem? The problem is that the grasshopper soon begins to die from hunger. And then how does it end? The grasshopper now knows how he should prepare for the future. Basically, he learned his lesson. Guys, today's lesson is going to be a challenge. I want you to watch my video several times and listen to the model. Because today you're also going to be reading a small fictional text and you're going to put in the somebody wanted, but so then. So I'm going to take you to your assignment. So again, you're going to be summarizing fiction. I uploaded on your slides an anchor chart to look at so that you can understand each component of the somebody wanted, but so then. Then here's your story. Very short passage, but it's a fictional passage. When you read your passage, I want you to next to go tell me who's the somebody, what did the somebody want, but what keeps the character from getting what he wants, or she. So what does he do to solve the problem, and then how does the story end? I know you guys are going to do a great job with your assignment today. I look forward to your hard work. Remember, please do not hit the turn in button if you have not completed your assignment. Have a great Thursday.